Hello everyone, good morning. This is one of our projects that we are working on. This is the entry into the house, and we're going to be remodeling 2 bathrooms in this home. When we work, we cover all the areas, protect all the common areas. We've protected the wainscoting, the carpet where we walk through. We're going to walk into the hallway bathroom. That's in process of being remodeled. And also, this is the tile work. The very interesting metal trim. I will also show you a master bathroom model that we're going to be working on. We'll protect all the areas. We build up dust barriers where necessary. We've separated the master bedroom from the rest of the area of the common hallway. Here's the master bathroom. It's going to be completely renovated with a walk-in closet along with the bathroom. If you have any questions, please give us a call or go to our website at modernstyleconstruction.com.